Hi students, what's going on? So you are ready for story? So dear all first standard students, today we are going to learn about a new thing. So let's start the class. Today we know about before, after and between. BEFORE before, AFTER after, and BETWEEN between. Before, after and between. Let's see one example. You can see here three animals are there. Can you see this? This is buffalo, this is tiger, and this is zebra. So three animals are there. So now we have to find out before, after and between. So let's start. So here buffalo is before the tiger. Buffalo is before the tiger, and the tiger is before the horse. Buffalo is before the tiger, and tiger is before the horse. Means this buffalo is before tiger, and this tiger is before horse. So all of you know about before. Now this tiger is after the buffalo. This tiger is after the buffalo. After the buffalo, and the horse is after the tiger. Again I repeat, the tiger is after the buffalo, and the horse is after the tiger. So now all of you know about before and after. So now find out which animal is between. Yes, you are right. So tiger is between buffalo and horse. Tiger is between buffalo and horse. So now let's replace the position of these animals. Now I keep tiger here and buffalo in this here. Now you find out before, after and between. Which animal is before, after and in between. So let's start. So now the horse is before the buffalo, and the buffalo is before the tiger, and again I repeat, horse is before the buffalo, and buffalo is before the tiger. In the same way, buffalo is after the horse, and tiger is after the buffalo. Buffalo is after the horse, and tiger is after the buffalo. And now find out between. Which animal is placed between? Yes, horse and tiger you can show here, and buffalo is in between them. So buffalo is between the horse and tiger. Now you see here three vegetables are there. Am I right? This is onion, this is tomato, and this is potato. I think all of you use this in your home. So now find out which vegetables is before, after and between. So now see here, tomato. Tomato is Tomato is between onion and potato. Am I right? Tomato is between onion and potato, and onion is before the tomato. Onion is before tomato, and tomato is before the potato. Tomato is before the potato. Now find out after. Yes, tomato is after onion. Potato is after tomato. Potato is after tomato, and tomato is after onion. And we already discussed between. Tomato is between onion and potato. So now replace the position of these vegetables. I put potato here and tomato here, and tomato here, onion here. So now find out the position. So same thing you just keep in your mind. If you talking about one object, if I talk about this potato, potato is between onion and tomato. Potato is between onion and tomato, and potato is after tomato. Potato is after tomato, and potato is before onion. So if I take example of one vegetables, then I find the place of these vegetables in three way. So here potato is present in between tomato and onion, and potato is before onion, and potato is after tomato. All of you understood? And if you talk about tomato, so tomato is before potato, and if you talk about onion, then onion is after potato. And this is all about before, after, and between. Now everyone open your textbook and go to page number 14. So here what is written here? Before, after, and between. So you can see here three examples also given in your book: dog, lion, and zebra. So find out what is written here. A dog, a lion, and a zebra are standing in a line. So these three animals are standing in a line: a dog, a lion, and a zebra. The lion is before the zebra. So the lion is before the zebra, means this way. Lion is before the zebra, and the lion is after the dog, and the lion is after the dog. After this dog, the lion is there. The zebra is after the lion, and the zebra is after the lion, and the lion is between the dog and zebra. So now we can solve one questions here. Here you can see three examples is there. This is horse, this is goat, and this is cow. Now you can find out their position. So let's start. The horse is before the, here you can see horse. Horse is before the, yes, goat. So here you can write goat. The horse is before the goat. The goat is before the, here is goat. Goat is present before which animal? Yes, goat is before the cow. So here you write cow. Now the goat is after the, here the goat. Goat is after. Read carefully. After this animal, this is horse. So you can write here horse. The goat is after the horse. Same way, the cow is after the dash. The cow, here is cow. Cow is after. After means after which animal cow comes? Yes, after goat. The cow is after the goat. So you can write here goat. Then the goat is between the dash and dash. Goat is between this and this. This is horse and this is cow. So the goat is between the horse and the cow. So here is another question is given. This is 4. Here 4 objects is there. So like same way you just concentrate your mind and solve this. So first you recognize this is truck, this is tempo, this is car, and this is scooter, and you should read this question carefully and you solve this, and this is your homework. You can solve this, and if you don't able to solve, then you can ask me. You can ask by comment in my video, and you can ask me directly also. So today we will learn about before, after, and between. So I hope all of you understood this. So let's meet in next class. Before I stop, I want to say one thing. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and tap on bell icon. So thank you students.